To my friends who has been inviting me to go camping recently, you know who you are, Emma and Lisa. No way am I ever gonna go camping again because this is my daily life. Sometimes it's a tent like this and sometimes it's so basic. So I have just arrived from an 8-hour land trip and I'm now here in Yida, and this is my room for the night. Welcome to my tent in the middle of the bush. Oh gosh. This is how it looks like inside. Just a basic bed, a mosquito net, and yeah, a basic one like this. And there are holes on the side, so I don't know how we're going to get protected from the mosquitoes, which has malaria. And other than that, you see it's 35 degrees here right now. So 35 degrees, I'm sweating, it's super hot. There's no fan inside, and to top off, I'm itching all over. If you can see, I have plenty of bites from unknown insects from the area where I was in the past couple of weeks. So right now I'm even scratching my legs. Everything itches. So yeah guys, this is the life of a humanitarian in South Sudan.